Hi guys, Treasure Tuber is here again and I put together a new video.
But 5 apps that are going to pay you $600 over and over again. Course, you can do this from basically anywhere in the world. The first app that I want to show you is called tv2.com. So the concept of this app is really simple. You can just click and play and watch the video and start making money. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The second app where you can earn money doing nothing is called appkarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The logo looks like this. The third app that I want to show you is called cash4minutes.com. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts. Another bonus way to make money with this app is by referring friends. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of everything they make. Moving on to the fourth app is Slidejoy. The rationale why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they will be showing you advertisements on your mobile phone. And through those advertisements, Slidejoy is making money. So all you have to do is download the Slidejoy app on your mobile phone. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. Finally, we're going to the fifth app, where you can make money by literally doing nothing. And this is over at moneysmsapp.com. MoneySMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Unfortunately, this app only works on Android phones. Those are the free apps to make money online doing nothing. Yes, it's possible and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents.